Are you the type that don't know how to create thumbnails for your videos? After making your videos and it's time for that thumbnail and you get stuck, this video is for you. Watch this video and see how you can generate amazing thumbnails using nothing but ChatGPT. And at the end of this video, you'll be making those thumbnails without effort. So let's go. Head over to ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a thumbnail idea for your particular video. For this my video, I'm going to paste this prompt here, which I already have. I'm going to paste this prompt right here and ask it to give me thumbnail ideas based on the title of my video. I'm going to paste this prompt and search. From what it has given me, I'm going to select one of them. I think I like this one, so concept 2. Use concept 2 to generate the thumbnail. It's generating a thumbnail, so I'm going to give it time. So here is the thumbnail it just generated using the second concept. So let me ask it to generate using the first concept so I can make comparisons and select the one that I want between the two. Okay, so let's go ahead and ask it to generate using the first concept. So this is the second one it just generated, and obviously I think I like the first one, so I'm going to select it and click on save to save it to my device. So next I'm going to do, I'm going to move over to Canva. Why you're going to do this in Canva is so that you'll be sure that not any part of the thumbnail is going to be cut off when you finally use it in your YouTube. Okay, so you open up Canva. This is very straightforward. Here it says search templates. Just type YouTube thumbnails, search, and click on this blank page here. When it opens, tap on the blank page, tap on replace, and your gallery is going to open. So select that thumbnail we just generated, and it's going to replace this background here, and your thumbnail is ready. So click up here to download. And your thumbnail is going to download to your device. As simple as that. This is how you go about it. Let me know in the comment section how easy it was for you to generate that amazing thumbnail for your video. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm sure you've learned something interesting from this video, and if this video has given any value to you, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And don't forget to tap that bell icon so that you get notified each time I drop another video. And I'll see you in the next one.